Good morning. So we're going to do the polynomial operations practice quiz. So for this one, we're going to perform the indicated operation. So that means everybody, I like writing it vertically. Make sure you put in like terms, everybody. Okay, so this one, it's going to be 3x squared minus 5x minus 5. There's no 0x cubed term here. Okay, this is subtraction, everybody. So I'm going to add the opposite. So all of these are going to change signs. And then we just add them together. So this is going to be 4x cubed. We just bring that one down. Everybody notice that these are both negative. So it's going to be negative 10x squared. Same sign, just add. Opposite sign, subtract. Add the sign of the larger number. So if it's negative 8 degrees, it goes up 5. It's now going to be negative 3 degrees. And then I bring down just that plus 5. So you look for which one matches, and it would be this one down here. Okay, next one. So next one, it says perform the indicated operation again. So this one, everybody, we're multiplying. If you want, you can rewrite it. So you have x minus 3 times 7x squared minus 4x plus 2. Remember, we're going to distribute. So we're going to distribute all these. Same with this one. Okay, and then we'll combine like terms. So remember, x times x squared is going to be x cubed. We're adding those x's together. Minus 4. 1 plus 1 is going to give us x squared plus 2x plus negative 3 times 7 is going to give us negative 7 times 7 is negative 21, x squared. Negative 3 times negative 4 is going to give us 12x. Negative 3 times 2 is going to give us negative 6. You might want to go ahead and do keep change on all these just to keep track of the operations, but it's totally your choice. Now we're going to add them together. So just bring that 7x down, 7x cubed minus 25x squared plus 14x minus 6. So we look at which one matches, and look at this one. If you don't have a match, everybody, it means you need to redo it. Okay, this one, it says perform the indicated operation. So I would definitely be getting out and looking at my notes and going, okay, which one matches for this? Is it going to be, it's cubed, everybody, so it's either going to be sum of the cubes or difference of the cubes. So everybody remember, you can use your notes on this. So this one, everybody, is going to be all right, so we could also just multiply this one out, everybody. I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to multiply these ones first. So I'm going to do FOIL this one. First, outer, inner, last. We combine like terms, everybody. So I'm going to add the x's together. So we get x squared minus 6x plus 9 And now we're going to multiply it times the x minus 3. Just like we did before, everybody, we have to multiply them by all of them. X times x squared is going to be x cubed. X times negative 6x is going to be 6x, negative 6x squared. X times 9 is going to give us 9x plus, and then we're going to do negative 3 times x, so negative 3x squared. X, negative 3 times negative 6x is going to give us plus 18x. Negative 3 times 9 is going to give us negative 27. We're going to combine like terms. So I'll bring that x cubed down. Minus 9x squared plus 27x minus 27. And you look for which one it matches. Make sure everybody notice you have to be really careful about the signs, okay? If it helps you do keep change, I would do that just to keep track of the signs. So it's up to you on this stuff. Okay, this one, oh, a number 4, everybody, gives us difference of a cube or sum of a cube. So now we know that we're going to have to use one of these two for number 4. So this one, everybody, it's minus, so we're going to be using difference of a cube. So remember that's a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so we're going to go x minus cube root of 64, everybody, is going to be 4. So I'm going to put 4 here. And then x squared plus 2 times 4 times x plus 4 squared. Okay. We need to simplify it, so we're going to just bring down that x minus 4, 4 squared. 2 times 4 is going to give us 8. Plus 16. Oh, I added in a 2, everybody. We didn't need a 2. I was looking at the perfect sum of the squares, everybody, so we don't need a 2, so it would just be 4x. And I was like, wait, none of those answers work. All right, so we would get this one. So as you can see, everybody, make sure you're not getting them mixed up. Okay, it says perform the indicated operation below. We're looking for the remainder. Okay, I'm going to do synthetic division. Remember, that's x minus a. So our a value is 4. So I'm going to put 4 over here. Remember, and then we put our coefficients. So I put 1. Notice that is a negative 8, 9, and 13. We're going to bring down that 1. 1 times 4 is going to give us 4. Negative 8 plus 4 is going to give us negative 4. 4 times negative 4 is going to give me negative 16. Negative 16 plus 9 is going to give me negative 7. 4 times negative 7 is going to give me negative 28. 13 plus negative 28 is going to give us negative 15. Okay, so that would be our remainder on this one, would be negative 15. So remember, this is our, we start 1 less, it's x cubed. So this would be our x squared, x term, number, and the remainder. So we'd have x squared minus 4x minus 7 minus 15 over x minus 4. Okay, it says that find the value of k for x plus 3 to be a factor, so we need to figure out what will work for this one. So we're going to have to do, so remember it's a x minus a, so it's going to be x minus negative 3. So that means that a is going to be equal to negative 3. Be careful on that. Okay. So we want the remainder to be 0. So everybody, that means the remainder is 0 if it's a factor by our factor theorem. So we're going to have 1, negative 5, k, and negative 3. That means this one, everybody, has to be 0. Okay, so let's do synthetic division again. Bring down the 1. 1 times negative 3, everybody, is negative 3. Same sign, just adds. We get negative 8. Negative 3 times negative 8 is going to give us 24. Okay. We need to figure out what number can we multiply to get this one. Okay. And then when we add it together, we get we get 30. So everybody, this one is going to have to be 30. Okay. So our answer here is going to have to be 30. So I know to get 30, negative 3 times what is going to give us 30? Well, that's going to be 10. So that has to be 10. So now we can use this part, everybody. So k plus 24 is equal to 10. Subtract 24 from each side. So k is going to equal negative 14. Oh, everybody, it would have to equal negative 10. Careful those signs, everybody. So it would be negative 34. You could also do, everybody, where you plug the numbers in and see which one works. Okay, for K2. Different problem solving strategies. Okay, so this one, everybody, we definitely want to graph. So it says find the zeros. So we're going to graph it on the graphing calculator. We'll graph one. Okay, you might need to make sure that you're taking out whatever is in here. So I had to go to y equals, and I cleared it, and then I'm going to put it in. So I'm going to go x, which is next to alpha, raised to the third power, minus 2x squared, minus 13x, plus 15. Oh, everybody, I did something I should not have done. Okay, you have to make sure, everybody, that you scroll down. Otherwise, it leaves it up there. Did you all see that? Not everything not to do. Okay, then we're going to graph it. Okay, so we know our zeros, everybody. For our zeros, everybody, remember y is going to equal 0. So I can go second after I've graphed it and graph to look at the table. And I'm looking for where y is equal to 0. Okay, so we have negative 3. So it says left 0. So negative 3. Middle is going to be 1. Right 0 is going to be 5. Okay, and that's it, everybody.